Turn your video content into viral hits in just a minute. Meet ProcutAI, the awesome new AI tool that's here to level up your videos. You can easily whip up eye-catching reels and engaging clips with animated captions, cool B-rolls, and custom sound effects. No editing skills needed. ProcutAI is loaded with a bunch of awesome new features that really set it apart from the competition. Create tons of eye-catching reels with just a click. Instantly drive thousands of targeted clicks to any link, no matter the language or market. With ProcutAI, you can ride any trend without doing the research yourself. Use trending templates inspired by top creators to boost your organic traffic and sales by 23x with super engaging reels, no experience needed. Powered by the most advanced AI model, there's no need to record, write, or promote anything. Start from scratch or upload your videos and let AI handle the editing. Enjoy auto captions that are spot on and generate auto rolls and transcripts for any video. Get 13x ROAS on your ads using ProcutAI's catchy transitions that automatically add zooms for better retention. Highlight keywords with animations and throw in some animated emojis for extra engagement, all done automatically. Edit your uploaded videos effortlessly with AI. Plus, you can sell these reels as a service for extra income without any upfront costs or monthly fees. And if you're not satisfied, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Picture this: grabbing your audience's attention with top-notch videos that take your brand to the next level and send your engagement through the roof. Join tons of creators who are shaking up their content game with ProcutAI, getting noticed, and racking up followers in no time. You definitely don't want to miss this groundbreaking innovation. Click the link below to sign up for ProcutAI today and start churning out viral content with ease. Your audience is ready and waiting.